So if you are new to VideoScribe, then this is the best tutorial for you. So yeah, we'll be looking at the icons in VideoScribe, how to animate, how to add voiceover, how to add music, how to change background, and how to export your video. So the icon we have here is the save icon. So let's try it. We're going to save this file as sample. I'm going to save this as sample. Then the next one we have here is the scribble music. Sorry about the connection issue. There is always music from Scribe here, and you can always import your own sound from here. So I'm going to import a sound from here. Let me import this sound. So this sound can also be used as a background sound for animation, and you can always reduce the volume in case you are using a voiceover in your animation. You don't want your you don't want your background music to be louder than your voiceover. Then you can reduce it here, play it. So you play it from this plate, so pause it, then mark it, as you can see. Then this is the voiceover here. You can make a voiceover through VideoScribe, or you can always import your voiceover from here. Look for your voiceover anywhere. Let me put this here, so play it.
Welcome to Health Educator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos.
As you can see, that's it. So that's the voiceover. Then you can play it. You can also reduce the volume of your voiceover, then mark it. Here is the background. Then you can change the color of this background. This is your background. So when you want to change the color of your background, you can click here, change it to any color you want. And also these are background options, the surface, see it. So depending on your choice, here we have the no vignette. This is the soft vignette. It shows this black shadow stuff around. Then the black shadow can become thicker when you click on add vignette and play. So this is it. So let me just go back to white. So here is the hand. You can decide to use hand in your animation and no hand in your animation, but we'll get back to this when we start dragging character into the scene. Yeah, I forgot to change this back. Let me change it to no vignette. So mark it. So let's move to the character aspect. So this is the character part of VideoScribe. So we have the one you can find online and the offline one. So anyone in the bracket online means you have to be connected to data, or you have to be connected to the internet, sorry, for you to access them. Yeah, so you have a lot based on category depending on your voiceover. So you can always go and click on them. So this one has loaded. This is for alphabet. So you can go to business. If your content is about business, about marketing, then you can go to business here. Then it keeps loading. As you can see, these are characters or elements related to businesses. So as we move on, let me drag one to this end. This is it. Just tap on it. So this is our character on this in the scene, sorry. So you can double tap to animate. So now when you double tap on this is it. You can change the color of this character, the complexion, which is brown. You can make it dark brown, as you can see. The hair, you can make it black, as you can see. The shirt, you can make it green, as you can see. Then I think we can also change the speaker, sorry. So, and this is the animate time. So what this means is that the time is going to take for the software to draw this character. So when we play it, it is drawing this character. See the hand drawing the character. So we can always adjust the time for we can always adjust the time the software is going to take to draw this particular character. So we can put it to like 3 seconds, maybe based on the voiceover. If you are creating an animation that is following the voiceover, that is following a script, then you have to make sure that any character you are bringing on scene must follow the voiceover. So if the voiceover mentions a particular thing, and you want to drag that kind of thing on the scene, then you have to make sure that the timing is in line with the voiceover, as you can see. So animate for 4 seconds, 0.5 seconds is to pause, and 1 minute is to transit. So transition is to move from one element to another element or to another character or to another scene. So you can mark it here. So this is it now. So now there's something I want to explain here to you. So you can always let's assume you've dragged the character into the scene. Now you can pin here on camera. When you set camera position, to make sure that this character does not adjust in this position. It doesn't adjust in this position now. So let me play it from here.
Welcome to Health Educator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos. In today's video,
So as you can see, it has zoomed because it zoomed at the end because there is the zoom at the end during the play icon is on. So this
welcome
is
to
it.
Health Educator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos.
So
In
when I,
today's video, we are going to talk.
as you can see, when I remove the zoom icon, when I untick the zoom, then it stops zooming at the end. Then also you can this is it. When you click on the element here, you can cancel camera position. When you cancel camera position, this thing will be bigger because the system controls the camera position automatically. So this is it.
Welcome to Health Educator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos.
As you can see, that is it. So let me just remove the voiceover. Box it. Yeah, box it. So I'm boxing. So that's how you delete them. So let's focus more on the character. So this is 100%. Then the thing about the thing is that you can always keep dragging for a new space. Let's assume you want to talk about something new. You can always drag to a new space. You can bring it back. Or if you want to bring it back, you can always double tap on this to bring it back. Then you can mark it. Where you mark a camera position here, it will always appear here in the scene. Then you can adjust to the left and maybe write this is the title icon now. So you can write businessman. Sorry. So that's businessman. You can change fonts here. These are fonts available here. Though it won't appear here as a sample, but when you mark it, you always see it there. And you can always download fonts from manage fonts. So this is area, but these are my downloaded fonts. So this is where you can get available fonts here. So you can download as many as possible that you think you need during your animation, then mark. So if I'm using this is the basic one, can use area black. Also you can change the color too. Sorry, double click text, change the color, get red. So that is it. And you can also animate it. So if you don't want to animate by double clicking it here, you can also animate it 3 seconds. If you don't animate from here, then you can click this icon here. Sorry. So this is it. So you can put this to 2 seconds, 1 and this 10. So then you can mark it on camera position. So you set the camera position here. So this is how you want it to appear in camera position. So first of all, this will appear at the center, then move to the left, then businessman will be written. So this is it. Play from start. Yes.
Welcome to Health Educator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos.
As you can see,
in today's video, we are going to talk about.
So that's how it is. So because I've set the camera position for this first element to appear in the middle, that is why it appeared in the middle. Then the businessman will appear at the center depending on the way you set the camera position. So if I put I can expand this businessman with this scale icon here. So when I put the scale icon here, when you change the camera position of a particular element, make sure you clear the previous camera position and click on it back. So immediately after this one, this first element shows, then this one will be bigger on screen. To transit to be bigger on screen. So let's play from start.
Welcome to Health Educator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos. In today's video, we are going to talk.
So you can control your camera position based on your choice. This animation is very technical. Well, not really technical. It is easy based on your choice or based on the kind of scene you want to create. Then you can always play with the scale. You can play with the scale, adjust your camera position, and so on like that. And also know that not every element color can be changed. So there are some elements you cannot change the color. I think something like this element now, and you double click on it, you can't change the color. But there are other options. Let's say you want to create a white and black animation. You can always click on sorry, outline, white and black. Yeah, there's grayscale, sorry, dropper, the silhouette. So it's just depending on your choice. Then you can make it a no hand too. So that's it. You can make it a no hand and mark it. So probably if all these are written with hand, this one will be written with no hand. So, and also if you want to play an animation from the middle, this is play from start. Always note this, and play from current element. So any element you are on, any element you click on, you can play from that part. You don't need to play necessarily from the beginning to check how your animation displays or the preview of your animation. You can click play from current element.
In today's video,
See
we
business.
are going to talk about achalasia. Achalasia is a rare disorder that makes it difficult for food and liquid to pass.
So as you can see, when this was animating, we already set that the second this girly animation in black should not, no hand should appear on it. That is why there's no hand appearing on the animation. No hand is drawing it, it's just drawing automatically. So let's double click on it. You can change it, sorry, you can change it back to full color. Then you can change it back to hand. So, and then you mark it. So you can always manipulate it to your own taste. That is how this animation works. Then we have the style of bringing your animation into the scene, you get. So okay, now let me reduce the size here. So this is it. So it's not necessarily you need to like draw the animation. Like when I say draw, like they are drawing the animation. So you can always use other option to bring your animation to the scene. So let me double click on the girl. So instead of drawing, we can use moving. This is moving. So moving means it's going to move from this, moving from the right hand side. So let me reduce the time, or else it will be slow in bringing the object in. Two. Then put it like, let's put it 2 seconds is okay. So when I play from here,
Achalasia.
as you can see,
Achalasia is a rare.
the hand is bringing the character inside, you get. And the reason why it's expanding is because there's no camera position. I've not set my camera position for this character, so that's the thing. So but I'll be creating more videos on animating characters in Videoscribe. There are other nice ways to animate characters, but as a beginner you just need to learn how to do the basics. So this is what you need to know, and it's very important. So don't forget, you can always bring elements from here. Also, you can also import your own pictures, scalar vector graphics. So I'll be creating videos again on how to convert pictures to SVG files, so that the Videoscribe software will be able to draw, give you an actual drawing of your custom images you are bringing inside, instead of just, let me show you a sample now. So let's assume I want to bring something from, let's assume I want to bring a random picture. Let me go to my download and just bring this cap. So it's importing the image. So this is it. So this is how it is going to animate this image. So but it's not giving the drawing like, so you might not really like it like that, based on your choice. Or you can just do the moving on, just bring it to the left or right, any angle you want, up or down. Then when you put it here, also you can reduce the size of your character with this box icon here. So this is it. So let me just set camera position like this, play from current.
That makes it difficult for food and liquid to pass from the swallowing tube.
So as you can see, it is pushing the, bringing the image from the bottom of the scene. So if you want to create a new scene in Videoscribe, all you need to do is just tap on the white, just use right click left click, sorry, on your scene, left click up, left click and drag it up. Then you can start another new stuff, another new animation. Set your any, depending on your script, drag anything to the screen. Set your camera, so make sure you set your camera on scene. You can scale it up to be bigger, you can make it smaller, then move it to the left, bring another character on scene or write a text. It's your choice. So that's how Videoscribe works. So after the whole animation process with your voiceover and background music, so the next thing to do um is to export your video. So that's the export icon. You can add your logo there to avoid copyright, video copyright, or branding your video. Then you can click here. Then HD, I think HD is the highest. This is the highest, 1080p HD. So this is what you can get, 720. This is the highest quality you can get. You can increase the frame rate, sorry, to 30 or any of your choice. Then mark it. So after exporting, the only issue you face in exporting Videoscribe software is that it export at a very high file size. So I'll create a tutorial video on how to compress Videoscribe